So this is how the right rear wheel speed sensor looks like. It's held in by a bolt. And there's the connector over there. So I put in some penetrating oil. And look how rusty is this. And also the brake pads. Pretty worn. Pretty worn. Yep. So it's kind of weird. Was this put in correctly? Or this rotor is... Oh my gosh. I don't know if this was put in correctly. So, loosening the ABS sensor. It's number 10 mm bolts. Okay, I'm gonna pull out the sensor. Yep, it's a long one. Kind of a sensor with this. So all gummed up. So we're gonna ease up. It's gonna be hard to pull up. This is gonna be tough to take out, so I put some penetrating oil on the clip and then try to push this out. And then once you push that out, you could push this tab in and then you could pull the sensor out. So yeah, it's really a struggle to take out this clip to the connector because the plastic is so brittle. I broke some parts of it. The sensor is still okay, it's just the clip. Yeah, this thing doesn't move anymore because of all the dirt that's inside, so there's really actually no way to clean it, but you destroy the whole thing. So no matter how you push, because of the dirt inside, it will not move anywhere. So I'm gonna put in the new sensor. So this is what I like about American cars or domestic cars, because the sensor is very cheap. This one is like $18 including tax. And it has a lifetime limited warranty. Exactly the same. You never know when it's gonna fail. It's pretty cheap, unlike European cars. So we're gonna put it in. Oh, it doesn't clip anymore, but I don't think this red thing will help in securing it, but it's better to put it. Yep. Maybe on the other side. See, yeah. Should be downwards. Okay, putting the connectors in. Should only be one way. Put it in. Yep. Should be straight. There you go. Tightening the bolt. Yeah, usually the sensor is flush on the hub, so it should be good. There you go. Then you secure now. Time to put back in. Now reality check. See if we still have ABS problems or do we need to reset it. Okay, so we still have ABS problems. Glass is open. Okay, so we started it on, drive it, reverse, drive, ABS still there. Okay, so we're gonna reset it. It's connected now. We're going to do a diagnosis. America, Jeep, automatic selection. Yes, still error. Okay, so we're gonna do 2006 KG Liberty, automatic scan, start the engine, dial brakes, so DTC report. So it still says here that oh my gosh, see, right rear. So we already fixed the right rear wheel speed sensor circuit, but we still have the right front wheel speed sensor circuit. Okay, we're gonna clear all the DTCs. Okay, we don't have any errors now, but still we have lights there. Right wheel distance received, so looks like we got a circuit issue here. Okay, dial brakes. Right rear wheel speeds. Where did they change it? Okay. Goes back. Okay, so it's not the sensor, probably. It's probably the wiring. The wiring is probably busted. Right front wheel speed sensor, right rear wheel speed sensor circuit. Okay. Live data. Data recording. Okay, we'll do the data recording again. Okay, so here's the problem. Both right front and right rear right front or right rear wheel speed sensor, they don't have any data. Doesn't show anything. Right front 0, right rear 0, but the left one for rear and the front, there's data there. Yep. So I think this is more of a wiring problem or probably an ABS issue.